This tutorial will guide you through the process of making final grades visible to students in your course. Go to your gradebook and click the gear or settings icon to proceed to the next configuration step. Click Calculation Options to access grading calculation settings. Check the Automatically Release Final Grade to enable the automatic release of final grades to students. Click Save to apply the changes made to the calculation options. Click Yes to confirm and finalize saving the settings. Click Close to exit the calculation options window. Grades will not be seen unless you release them if this setting had not been on before. To do that, click Enter Grades. Click the drop-down arrow in the Final Grades column. Click Enter Grades. Check the box to select all students' names. Click the Release, Unrelease button. Click Save and Close to save all grade entries and exit this screen. Click Yes to confirm saving the grades and closing the screen. The eye icon means that students can now see their final grades. You have successfully configured the course to automatically release final grades to students and saved all grade entries.
Thank you for joining us today for another Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope that you find this tip helpful. Thank you for watching and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.